What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ultimate Outdoors. Going to do a little different type of video for you today. You know how we spend most of our weekends, we're either out ATVing, hunting, fishing, trapping, something outdoors. But in the end, at the end of the day of four-wheeling, or at the end of the hunting season, or whatever the case might be, we always end up back at the campfire hanging out with friends, enjoying a few beers, or back at the compound doing that type of thing. A friend of mine a few weeks ago, we were hanging out in the compound, said that he always takes a cast iron frying pan, throws some venison or something in it, and then throws it on the wood stove. So while they're hanging out or whatever, you know, they got some good victuals simmering on the wood stove. So I said, wait, that's a pretty good idea. So got walking around the house, and I noticed that my parents, when they moved out to their new place, they left us a couple cast iron frying pans hanging on the wall out in the garage. So what I figured we'd do is, they're actually not in too bad a shape, but we're going to clean them up a little bit today and get them all seasoned up so that we can use them down there when people come down to hang out. Basically what we got to do is baking soda and water, scrub them up with a paper towel, a little bit of vinegar to help really get down in the pores and clean any remaining stuff that's in there out. And then what we'll do after we get them all cleaned up, dried, then we will, the old canola oil, we'll lube them right up nicely, and we'll bake them in the oven for, I don't know, approximately an hour or whatever the case might be. So let's get started. We're gonna get them cleaned up, get the baking soda ready with a little bit of water, and see how they come out. These ones they're made in the USA. This one is, it says number 10. It's a 12 and 7/16 inch. 5H1. No brand on it to say what kind it is. This one doesn't have, well, it's got 30, 52, and then a D2. So I'm not sure what make they are, but we'll get them restored and make them nice and hopefully get to use them soon. Alright, there's that pan. I just threw it on the oven or the stove to make sure it's good and dry. You always want to make sure it's dry because the water is what will rust it. So got this one dry. The other ones on there are going to dry nice, and then we're going to season these and put these in the oven and finish them off. Can't wait. Alright, so we got our mess picked up from the baking soda and water and vinegar, and they actually cleaned up pretty nice. So now we're going to get the canola oil on them, get them wiped down good, get the excess off it so it's not too thick, and then we're going to put them in the oven. We got the ovens preheated up to 500 degrees, and these will go in it for an hour, and they'll be all seasoned and ready to rock and roll. Sometimes people will do this 2 or 3 times during the hour, and they will re-season them, but I think once will be good, so let's give it a try. Alright, so we had the pans in for about an hour. A little bit of mistake. I'm not sure if I had too much oil on them or what the deal was, but at 500 degrees it got pretty smoky in here, so we turned it down to 350 and seemed to be a little bit better. They look like they got a nice seasoning to them, so we're going to give them a shot, see how it works. this overnight. It came right out, I think. They clean up good, didn't it? Huh?